In this video, I want to talk about using layouts in Logos for academic studies. This came in handy for me when I was in college because a lot of times your classes are going to be dealing with different resources, different topics, but I liked having Logos open when I was in school. I used it for my Bible. I also used it to take notes, but every time it's a little bit different. So rather than having to take 5 minutes before class each time to pull up whichever resources you want, you can use layouts to have a different layout for each class that you're in. Saves a lot of time, one of the beautiful aspects of using Logos. So let's say you have a class where you want to have your Bible open. So we'll click on your preferred Bible, and then that's right up here on the top bar here. And let's say that you also want to have the passage guide open because maybe, I don't know, let's say you're doing a class on Romans. So we're going to have the passage guide open. And well, it's open to Romans. So we can always link these together. We have other information on this in the circle, but you can always do link set A over here, link set A, and do that for anything that you have so that wherever you go in one, it goes on the other. Maybe you want notes open as well for this, so you can do notes right there. And you have your passage guide, you have your Bible, you have your notes open, whatever you may need for Romans. Let's say as well that you're going to have a commentary open so that you can sound educated when the professor asks a question about it in class. So you might go over here to your library, do Romans, see what commentaries you have on Romans. What do I have here? Book of Romans, sure, we'll go with that one. And so now you have that open as well. And so you can just go up to layouts, do save as named layout, do Romans, and you're good to go. Now let's say too that you have a class for Greek exegesis. Well, having the Romans commentary probably isn't going to be that helpful. You probably don't need the passage guide open, but we can click out of those, keep your Bible open, and now maybe you want to have interlinear. So down here at the bottom, you can have the words with the Strong's numbers and definition, lemma, root, morph, all that fun stuff in there. So maybe you want that open. Maybe you're going to want a Bible word study open as well too. So let's do those are over here. Bible. Nope, sorry. I think those are still under passage. Bible word. There we go. Bible word study. So you're going to have one of those open. You might have the exegetical guide open, so you can get into some of the key words in the passage there. Let's see what else you might want open. We can do. Let's do the Lexham. Let me see. Syntactical Greek New Testament. Let's have that one open so it can give you some of the basically diagramming and parsing out there. So let's say that you have this open for your Greek class. You can just go over here, save as name layout, Greek, what have you. So now every time you go to class, you don't have to worry about clicking out of stuff, opening up a new one. You can always just go, okay, I'm going into my Romans class now, click on that, bam, you have your Romans set up. Same thing for Greek. Boom, now you're on that. And of course, you can personalize however you like, adjust it however you like, but this comes in so much handy. I even still use this today. I teach a Sunday school class at my local church. So I have a personal Logos set up, and then I change it for when I'm teaching that class as well, and it changes the font around, and it changes which resources I have open, all that fun stuff. So this is a great way to save some time when you're using Logos for academic study. Hope this helps you.